So today we're going to start with hip actions. So, well, generally we have, I would say four type of hip action. In ChaCha we use 3. So let's say first one going to be pendulum swing action, when your hips go from side to side. Second type would be rotation, when your hips rotate like this in horizontal dimension. The third one will be sort of combination of those two. That would be Cuban action or 8 figure. And well, we have 2 more actions, but we don't use them. We're not gonna use them in ChaCha. The fourth one will be contraction for samba, and elevation of the hip. So this one maybe for girls. When you, let's say, take in a side step, when you finish in your foot, you can have elevation of the hip. But today we're going to focus on first 3. The first is going to be pendulum. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So this one meant to be a little bit more rhythmical. So let's say again we start. Let's say you have your left foot, left knee bent, right knee straight. Before you change your hip, you want to activate your shoulder blade, and you're gonna squeeze in your hip, placing your heel down, and then you place ball of the foot, right ball of the foot. Then again your right shoulder blade, your right hip, placing your heel down, straighten your knee, and then place ball of the foot. And boom, and boom, and boom, and boom, and 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Maybe first like this, gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was the first one. Now second one will be pretty much the same, but we're gonna focus, instead of compressing your side, we're gonna focus more on the twist. And the same thing, if you place your left foot, you're going to work with the opposite hip. You're gonna be right hip rotating back. And to activate rotation, let's say in your right hip, you're going to use your right shin, right ankle. So like there is a bracelet, and you rotate that bracelet out. Boom. So that will, let's try it actually like this. 1, 1. So you focus on the right ankle. And sort of keeping your hips on the same level. So your center is elevated. Good. Let's try this. And probably rhythm gonna be the same. So we're gonna start with the right foot. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and again 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and now my favorite one, that's a combination of those two. So we had pendulum and we had rotation. Now we're combining them into 8 figure. So basically how it works, so let's say we place in right ball of the foot on the floor. First we're doing pendulum. When you do pendulum, your hip going diagonally forward. Boom. Let's say if I'm facing the camera, I place in my feet. Where's the stick? So this is my shoulder line. This would be like 45 degrees rotation for my hips, And then when I do pendulum, my hip will go diagonally forward. Well, forward will be too much, side will be not enough. So diagonally forward, and then from there you rotate your shin. Tin, 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 tin. Hit another diagonal, and then from there you do pendulum again. Pendulum, hip goes diagonally forward, rotation. Boom, tiki, boom, tiki. Pendulum, rotation. Pendulum, rotation. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight one. Then ChaCha 1, 2, 3. ChaCha 1, 2, 3. Then syncopated, start with the normal. ChaCha 1, and then 2 and 3 and ChaCha 1. Then again normal. 2, 2, and then to the left hip. 2 and 3 and ChaCha 1. And then back to the straight one. 5, 6, 7, and we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ChaCha 1, 2, 3. ChaCha 1, 2, 3. ChaCha 1, 2 and 3 and ChaCha 1, 2 and 3 and ChaCha 1. Yeah, 2 and 3 and ChaCha 1, 2 and 3 and ChaCha 1. Okay, now so let's apply this to our ChaCha. And this actually, well, it's sort of based on the time step. ChaCha 1, 2, 3, ChaCha 1, 2, 3. But we're going to do different rhythm. So it will call actually side steps. So we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, ChaCha 1, 2, 3, ChaCha 1, 2, 3. ChaCha 1, 2, 3. And it's very important that your feet is not sliding or somehow you change in your position. So let's try it like this. We're gonna count 4 counts for the full beat and 2 counts for the half beat. I know it's a bit boom, but so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. First twice is slow and then pull up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, ChaCha 1, 2, 3, ChaCha 1, 2, 3, ChaCha 1. Yeah, that's our starting position. Weight on the right foot, left foot in front on the toe. We go 1, 2, 3, forward lock, ChaCha 1, close, and side cucaracha, 2, 3, and pull in, and then change 3 times, ChaCha 1, forward, 2, and 3. From here we go into back lock with the left foot. ChaCha 1. ChaCha 1. Closing right foot to left foot and doing the same thing, side step. 2, 3, and changing 3 times through the heel. ChaCha 1. Then from here we're gonna have back replace, 2, 3, hip twist ChaCha, Cha-Cha, 1. Then we're going to have check. So this one will be a little bit more like in New York, through the pivot in your right foot, 2, 3 with the rondé ChaCha, or better say with the whisk ChaCha, Cha-Cha, 1. Yeah, let's do the whole thing. Maybe slowly. Yeah, let's do slowly first. Today, slowly. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Cha-Cha, 1 and 2, 3, and Cha-Cha, 1.